singing a part of the song.
I know, but what part did you sing? I know the song, but what part did you sing?
The Weeknd. He's like,
And I said, for her, yes.
ooh, beautiful kick. Bro, you want to fight? Let's go. That's gonna go viral, dude. Like, freaking just like in Vines.
He turned his car off.
What? He is. What?
Okay, I'm gonna check the recording.
Who is he? What did you do?
But he turned it around.
Why you hungry?
Fucking hell. AJ, get inside! Get inside! Oh, that dirty slut.
He's driving away!
That dirty slut! I know.
One shot to the balls, both of us, one shot to the face. Jilly, you gotta watch him again in the video. He was like talking to the camera and I threw it right to his face. Are you still recording?
Yeah?
Please tell me you didn't get my face.
No, I didn't. Ow, my butt.
Oh, that's what she said. Soccer skills. Wait, soccer skills. What is he doing?
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, rejected.
I got them soccer skills, bro.
Oh. Fucking with me because I'm a teenager. With a little bit of gold in a page. Let's see how far I can get it from right here. She said.
These nuts.
If you had it. Any. Oh, suck it. I kicked the ground.
I'm gonna stop it. Go!
Really?
I picked my basketball shirts. I thought these were mine.
Hey, Jay!
I'm a flying kitty. There you go. Just playing that.
Some of these nuts.
If you had any.
Dude!
You wish. Cruising down the street in my 6'4". Clapping it. Slapping the hose. Car.
When I'm a teenager!
That'd be so funny if you hit the camera. Do it.
Stop doing that.
Oh
my God.
Oh!
If I die.
You see that? Oh, point, camera. Get this whip right here. Ready? Ready?
You said get this whip?
Hey, hey.
Oh, hit us up in the face. Hey guys, thanks for the support.
For all the shit.
If you like the video, give it a like, subscribe,
And check out my channel, Britt.
thanks. Give this video a like, subscribe.
Your mom.